Welcome everyone to the Traders Market Intelligence Report brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. My name is Robert Roy and this update is for Monday the 31st of July. Last one, baby, 2023. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I hope it has been a good trading week for you. As we get started, keep in mind that everything we look at is for educational purposes and nothing is meant to be advice or recommendations. Listen, bottom line is, if you like something you see here, a trader set up an indicator, make sure that you confirm that it fits your own personal risk profile and risk tolerance before ever taking on that trade, setup, or indicator. All right, so with that, let's go ahead and dive right in. So I want to look at the S&P 500. Now, guys, I'm still having a problem with getting my data properly here. So I want to look at this for big picture, right? Where the fib is, where it's moved from and to, and we'll take it from there. So we had a really nice move up for our fib, a good pullback, and a nice breakout of the upper level of our fib in there. We got out a little bit, we pulled back, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see where we were on the previous Friday's close, and we just had that really nice run up. The gap yesterday, just massive gap to the upside yesterday, and then the kerplunk all day long. But what did it do? See, that's the key. What happened? We pulled back and closed near that 45, 42 level, and if we take this over a little bit off the screen, get rid of today, right, and really kind of bring it in there, like chug it along, you can see we closed right at the 8 moving average and the fib line. Wonderful location, great confluence in there. And what happened today? Man, we exploded, right? Overall move was fantastic. We're up about 44 points. The market's got about a minute left to close up right now. If we go over and look at the trade station chart of the market, one less, okay? What are we looking at here? There's the big day from yesterday, right? Great gap up, a little bit of a pullback, tiny wick pullback, and we ran. Market's closed. We ran right into the next fib line, which is the 382. We're closing right there, right? What a phenomenal move, right? If we go over and look at the VIX, just bring that up. I'm going to take that off screen, make it a little bit easier for us. You can see how high the VIX ran yesterday. Now, when I say how high, it ain't high, right? But when I'm talking how high it ran, just generally how big of a move it was, we're still in the very low range on our VIX. Nothing to worry about whatsoever, right? So right now, we're sitting at 1333 on the VIX. Woo, just sweet, right? Very low price options. Great as a buyer, not so good as a seller. You got to be very cautious as a seller to find the right premiums. Okay, now with that being said, let's go back and look again at the SPX, and let's see where we go next. All right, so to the downside, we still have a great confluence at that 45.42. If we break and continue to push back down, trying to fill that gap, that's where I'd expect us to go. Right now, since we gapped up and ran right to it on the open today at that 4,600, that's my first stopping point on the upside, right? If I scrunch this down a little bit, it's 46.61 is the next target above that. Keeping in mind, we still have this overall uptrend has been very much respected on the upside. So we could run into and have a short-term pullback somewhere along that way before getting to a major fib line. See, right here, we had this pullback. Well, we had the close near the fib line confluence with the diagonal trend line, and then a little bit of a pullback, right? We'll pop back up. We could see that happen somewhere here, another pullback, a bounce, and then the move up to the next one, right? That's really what we're looking for. How strong can we get off of a key level, the fibs and or trend line, moving average, Bollinger Band, whatever your confluence points are. All right, with that, folks, if you like what you see, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Ring the bell here on YouTube. Leave a comment down below. We love the comments down there. It certainly helps us along in the algorithms for growing our channel and getting the message out. Not getting, my Brooklynese came back all of a sudden. Getting the message out to others out there. So with that, make it a profitable day. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it, and remember, you're just one trade away. Take care, everybody. I will see you on our next update. Bye for now.